Here we are at the Perkins Labs, working on the Commutation sensor analyzer for that tiresome P1586 code. So what we've got here is I've got some commutation sensors which I've been working on the bench, and this was the critical connector we needed to mate with. So I've sourced one from an old wiring loom, so we now have a connector wired to the commutation sensor analyzer, and this is the wire here. So I've unplugged the sensors from the IMA and I've just plugged them into my commutation sensor analyzer wire. Basically the sensors, I've got a plus and minus 5 volt feed and a signal wire. So I've commoned all the plus and minus 5 volts or 5 volt power and ground and brought them over to my breadboard analyzer, as you can see here. And at the moment, with the car static, we've got 2 LEDs on and 1 LED off. So this is the combined LED display and the LCD analyzer. I was just ticking it over a couple of minutes ago. It's giving a reading of about 850. So what I'll do is start it up. This very simple setup is just using 12F1822 pick. It's running at 8 megahertz. Plenty fast enough. So you could use the old 12F683 that I normally use. So I may release code for that, although 12F1822 doesn't really matter much. At the moment the analyzer just does the basic timing of the pulses. It's not doing any more analysis than that, but you can quite clearly see how close they are together in duration once they start appearing on the screen. So what I'll do is I'll just start it up. Now unfortunately, because they're pulsing so quickly, you can't see the LEDs changing. Starting on the 12 volt starter, of course. The IMA sensors, commutation sensors are not plugged in. So what we've got all the LEDs lit because they're lighting so fast. They appear to be lit continuously. And on the display itself, you can see the timings for the sensor pulses and how close they are. It's probably statistically insignificant, the difference, and obviously it's not been flagging up any IMA fault, so it clearly. So this is a tick over, and this is in 5 microsecond units, so 890 or 900 times 5 microsecond units. So you can see the general idea. Just need to package it up now and make it battery powered, and it gives you a simple indication of whether the sensors are working or not. That's the whole idea.